Hello everyone, we're back here cooking with Grandma Tanner Thursday at 3 o'clock. Well, you know. Oh, it is not 3 o'clock. Oh, now it is 3 o'clock, so we're good. Today, Grandma Tanner will be making apple dumpling cake. So take it away, Grandma.
Hey, Kelly, do you have a copy? Kelly?
Grandma, you gotta turn off your radio.
Kelly.
Sorry about that.
Sorry, this is very professionally done here.
Okay, you use 3 pounds of apples, and I sliced some ahead. These are Jonathan, but I used Jonathan, Cortland, and I think I had a Smitten in there, which is a little sweeter. This is the handiest little gadget.
Uh-oh, what'd you do? Talk about how handy it is, and now it's...
Yeah, you know what? This thing got moved.
Uh-oh, don't cut your finger. You have to go get 4 stitches.
I just
Can you
peeled
get
all
it?
those apples. This thing has to be moved over a little bit. There.
Well,
There we go.
There you go, the little
Goes right
core.
there in the middle. Yep. So it peels them, cores them, and slices them. As my father would say, it's handier than sliced bread. When sliced bread came out, because when we were young, we didn't have sliced bread. And they came out with that 70 some years ago. So, you know, it's like this.
Slices it into a spiral.
Yes, and then you just cut it.
Now you weigh those apples after they're all sliced and diced?
I weighed them before, and it was just a little bit more than
3 pounds.
3 pounds, yes.
What is a quarter peck about? No, quarter. What is a quarter peck?
A quarter, well, a half a peck is 5 pounds.
There we go.
But this thing is, and you can choose not to peel your apple also. You just put this thing back, the part that peels it.
Or you could just save your peels and dry them. They're always good.
Yes, and you know, this little thing is great for pies. You can whip up a pie in nothing flat. And if you want to dry apples, it's just a nice little pieces. Okay, I have
Here, let's see those little pieces.
yes, it's great. I have sprayed my pan, and so you dump all these apples right in the bottom of that pan and put them around evenly in the bottom of your pan. Now I'll get this thing out of the way. You know, if you have bunny rabbits, they love these peels.
And they're funny to watch eating them too.
Yeah, they just... So this is it just suctions right to your tabletop, or you have to have a real smooth surface.
Do we still have some of those in the market?
Yes.
See?
Yeah, we do still have them to sell. So next I'm going to mix up the eggs, beat the eggs, and guess what? My pullets are laying eggs, and I have a tan, a brown, and a green egg. Remember green eggs and ham?
Mm-hmm.
So
it calls for 2 eggs, but that's like 2 large eggs from the store. And these are little eggs, so Grandma always uses...
I'll just use an extra egg in there. It'll still make it good. Yeah, they just... I'm getting about, maybe 6 eggs a day now out of 17 chickens. They aren't all laying yet, but they will be.
Man, I wish I had to get eggs last night.
Oh,
Made a lasagna.
well, you can have the...
No, I got a...
You got a dozen.
I got 11 left at home.
Okay. So you whip these eggs up real good.
You don't have a hand beater, you need a hand beater.
Yeah. just to mix up a few eggs, scrambled eggs or anything you want to make. This little deal is just the ticket. Okay, now I have 1 cup of oil. And I've already got that measured out. So we put that in there. 1.5 cups of sugar. This is real good. And I'm gonna mix that all together. You can use it as a mixer, or you can just take it and stir it like that.
2 in 1.
It's a great little gadget. Lay that in there. And it's 2 cups of flour and a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So when I have that, I mix that ahead of time. Put my flour in a bowl and just mix it.
The salt and baking powder.
Yep.
Oh, secret recipe?
No, we're filming. We're live. Hi, John. One of our new employees doesn't know about cooking with Grandma Tanner yet. Have a seat and you stick around for a piece of cake afterwards.
So I dumped that flour, salt, and baking powder in here, and it mixes up very similar to like pie dough. It gets pretty thick. So you just keep stirring that, getting it all mixed up. Takes a little while to get her all beat up. I just do it by hand because it's pretty thick. Scrape it all down from the sides. Apple dumpling. Now we make apple dumplings in the bakery, and I'm going to show you one when I get this all put together and stuck in the oven. We sell a lot of apple dumplings. Okay, it's just real thick.
It's almost like a
Pie dough.
pie dough,
Yeah.
Play-Doh.
So, yeah, like Play-Doh almost. Like I used to make you kids.
Yeah, yeah. Hope it tastes better than that.
Yeah. Well, this has got sugar in it. So I just take little dabs of it because you have to spread this around and kind of push it into the apples. And then it bakes it kind of puffs up.
It's like more of a pastry than.
Yes. So this just takes a little time and a little patience. Some of my classmates that I went to high school were here for lunch. So I got to see them today.
Did you eat lunch with them?
Well, we had a peach smoothie.
Oh.
You know, we are out of peaches. Have a little bit of corn left.
That corn is so good. Some of it's not fully developed or whatever, but man, is that good flavored corn.
It's good flavored corn, and it's so...
I've had it for dinner every night this week.
Eat it while you can, because we probably only have 20 bushel left.
Oh, I better get some more.
So you spread this around as best you can.
That's thick.
Very thick. And those 2 teaspoons of baking.
I bet the juice from the apples make it a little better.
Yeah.
A little.
Mm-hmm. Well, I made one, and I have it behind me. And those employees get to taste it after a while.
Yeah, we should do this at 2 o'clock so that they can eat it at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, we probably could. That'd be a good idea.
Yeah, everybody's used 3 o'clock, Grandma.
Yeah. Try to press it down in the apples a little bit. That looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
And then, last of all, you sprinkle it with some cinnamon. Gives it a good flavor. And I preheated my oven to 350, so it's all ready. Now we'll just put a little bit of, sprinkle a little cinnamon on there. Gives it a little color.
Nancy said that Grandpa says to save him a piece when he gets home.
Yes, Richard and his sister Nancy are going out to Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and stopping at their other sister that lives by Rock Rapids, Iowa.
Did he take the truck?
Yeah.
Nancy went with him in the truck?
Nancy went with him in the truck.
Wow.
She wanted an adventure.
So Grandpa drives for Midwest Food Bank. He'll drive their semis and go get loads of stuff.
A load of food he's bringing back.
That's his retirement job. Volunteers over there. He really enjoys it.
He loves to drive that truck.
So he heated the oven to 350, preheated, and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes.
40, yep.
All right, let's see your other one.
Okay, the one that I made earlier.
Now, did you spray that pan with
Yes, I sprayed the pan. I like this Bacon Joy. It's got a
Baker's
little
Joy?
flour in it
Okay.
for baking.
Mm-hmm. Probably not real good for cooking eggs in the skillet, huh?
No, probably not. You just want to use the regular. But,
Here, cut a piece of this.
okay, I will.
Let's see, or just get a spoon and scoop out a piece. Let's see what it looks like. What did you make last week? That was so good. That Jell-O,
Oh, yes.
that peach.
The peach and applesauce
Oh
jello.
my goodness. I took that home.
That was so good.
Bobby says, oh, I haven't had this in a long time. He'd had that before. I really thought I was taking him something new.
Really?
He ate it up, though.
It's a good recipe. Well, I just grabbed this bowl right here. So what we're thinking about this here, see those
Oh, yeah.
apples just kind of,
Juiced up. Put some ice cream on that. Oh, that syrup.
now, we make these apple dumplings, individual little apple dumplings in the bakery. And they have dough, and they wrap it around an apple and then bake it. It's a peeled apple. And then they pour this apple syrup on it, which really makes it good. So they get the apple syrup from this company here by the quart,
Yeah, gallon.
or half a gallon. So we're going to pour a little bit of that on this here, but ice cream,
Oh, yeah, you gotta put ice cream and caramel on top of that.
oh yeah, that would be so good. I should go get some ice cream.
And caramel.
Yes.
All right. Well, there you go. Apple dumpling cake. I will take a picture of the recipe and put it on Facebook. But I can't wait to try a piece.
Yes, I think it's delicious.
And these are, I need to get an apple dumpling. I always get one a year with ice cream and caramel. Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, we will see you next week. Nancy and Dad, Grandpa. Grandpa to everybody, Dad to me.
They're already on Route 90 heading across southern Minnesota. That's how fast he is.
All right.
Moving.
Well, yeah, he don't drive very fast.
No, he doesn't, but...
You guys stay safe, and we'll see you when you get home. Thanks, everyone.